Pomegranates from heaven. Hazrat Fatima alayhi salam lived a simple life, eating the simplest food, wearing the plainest clothes. Hazrat Ali alayhi salam saw that though she had blisters on her palm, as she used the grain stone to the mild grains, yet she never complained. She never asked for anything. One day, Hazrat Fatima alayhi salam was ill. Imam Ali alayhi salam asked her if he could get fruit for her. She kept quiet, but when Imam Ali alayhi salam insisted, she said pomegranate would be nice. Imam Ali alayhi salam went out to buy it for her. However, it was not easy to find a pomegranate because it was out of season. Finally, one was found, and Imam Ali alayhi salam quickly bought it and made his way back home. As he walked home, he heard a groan. Imam Ali alayhi salam went to see who was groaning. He found a poor beggar who lay ill. Imam Ali alayhi salam stopped and asked, "Are you okay? Can I help you?" The beggar said, "I have been sick, very sick. My mouth is dry. If only I could have a pomegranate to smooth my thirst." Imam Ali alayhi salam thought, Fatima never asks for anything. This pomegranate is for her, and this man is sick. What do I do? He decided to help the poor man, broke the fruit in half. As he helped the sick man to eat, he felt sad thinking how he will go back home empty handed. The beggar was thankful, and as he finished eating, he prayed, "May Allah reward you and increase His blessings." A little later, Imam Ali alayhi salam had give the other half of the fruit away to another poor man. Imam Ali alayhi salam went back home, walking slowly. When he entered his door, he saw Hazrat Fatima alayhi salam sitting with a tray full of pomegranates in front of her. She said, "There was a knock on the door just now. Thank you for sending these for me." Imam Ali alayhi salam knew this was a gift from Allah. Imam Ali alayhi salam said, "Thank you, Allah.